What's up everybody, welcome to a new video, and today we will take a look on XCN. So if you are interested about the new setups that I'm currently watching on this coin, and also if you are interested about the exact price that I think this coin is gonna hit, then definitely watch this video till the end. Before this video continues, I just want to let you know that this YouTube channel is directly connected with my Discord trading group. So if you want to know about the exact setups and exact trades that I'm taking, then definitely don't forget to join, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. Let's start today on the 1 hour chart. If you saw my yesterday's analysis on this coin, you know that I was talking here about this triangle, and because there was a breakdown with the resistance confirmation, then the only setup that I'm watching, as I said in my yesterday's video, will be valid in case of a retest of this bullish order block. If you saw my yesterday's analysis, you know that I was also speculating here for a breakout and then support confirmation, but because nothing like this happened and instead we had here a breakdown and a resistance confirmation, right now I'm expecting that we are gonna retest this bullish order block area. Actually, we can use this area, which is between levels 0.02973 and 0.02768, as the potential long entry in like 2 ways. First possible entry will be to place the limit order above this bullish order block, and stop loss in this case you need to place under this bullish order block, because if there will be breakdown with the resistance confirmation, you are risking that the price is gonna go down. So in this case, you don't want to hold your losing position longer than it's necessary. Last take profit target, still the main take profit target, it's remaining exactly the same. So place it above this important bearish order block on a daily time frame. And let's say some of the profits you also want to take under this new bearish order block on the 1 hour, which is between levels 0.03607 and 0.03403. So if your limit order will be hit, then as I said, you need to take multiple take profit targets. So some of the profits, for example, under this bearish order block, under this high, this bearish order block on a daily time frame, and then you can save some back to a last take profit target. So in the end, from the risk reward ratio like 10.5, the risk reward ratio is gonna be more like 7, something like that, which is in my opinion really great setup. Even better setup will be if you will wait for a liquidity grab under all of these previous important lows, so under this bullish order block, and then for a support confirmation. If this setup is valid, in my opinion, the potential stop loss here is much safer, because we will take really important liquidity. I know that in this case, we are gonna take liquidity like under this previous important lows, and then there will be a limit order. But in the second setup, we are waiting for that liquidity grab and then a support confirmation to get into that long position. Stop loss, in this case, you need to place then under the low that we will create during the fake out, and the last take profit target can remain exactly the same. For example, if you want to know about the exact trades and you want to know, for example, about all the setups that I'm watching on this and other altcoins, then definitely don't forget to join my Discord trading group, where I'm sharing these types of setups every single day, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. This trade will probably give you, let's say, slightly better risk reward ratio. Let's say the fake out will have like 7% of a net market, then your risk reward ratio will be around 13. So if you will use again the same take profit targets, for example, you can make some of the profits also under this previous important lows, then your risk reward ratio is going to be like 8-9 in this case, something like that, which is in my opinion again really great setup. As I am always saying, there are certain conditions that needs to be met before I'm entering any of my trades. So as I said in my yesterday's video, I was speculating here on 2 moves. First one, which actually happened, was in case of a breakdown and then a resistance confirmation, and in this case I'm expecting that liquidity grab or a retest of this bullish order block area, which can lead into really good long position. And as I said in the previous scenario, I was also speculating for a breakout and then support confirmation of this resistance area, which didn't happen. If I'm gonna switch on a 12-hour chart, for me this is still really bullish. We are not still breaking like this previous important low, so this low was higher than this one, these lows are still higher than this one and this one. Problem will be if we are gonna get under the level 0.02210, but honestly I'm not expecting that something like this will happen. Right now we took perfect liquidity on the long side, because yeah, we had here a pump which had around like 2000% of a net market. Then there was a correction which had around 56-57%. Then we had here an amazing pump, and right now I'm expecting that we are perhaps gonna take some important liquidity on like 1 hour and 4 hour chart, but then we will see another pump up. And as I said, if you want to know about all the coins that I'm watching, then I will be really happy if you consider subscribe to my YouTube channel so you wouldn't miss out on any of my new videos. Or if you will decide to join my Discord trading group, it's completely free. Link to join is in the description or in the comments. In the long time perspective, if I'm gonna switch on a weekly time frame, this is actually the last resistance that I am currently watching. And yeah, in this case, I think that the reasonable price that this coin can hit in this bull market, I was talking about this in my previous analysis, is this previous high, which is level 0.1078. This is probably also a bearish order block on a daily time frame. I'm not certain right now, but yeah, I will be, if I will be opening some, let's say, long-term long position, I will be closing most of my profits under this previous high, and then around 10% I will keep to the current all-time high, because yeah, the hype around this coin is really insane, so I don't want to miss out any further, let's say, important moves. I know that some of you are saying that, for example, this coin is gonna hit like $1 mark, something like that. In my opinion, this is probably not gonna happen, because, for example, from this low, it would be a pump around like 57,000%, which is yeah, actually crazy. And from the current level, it's still a pump around like 3,000% of a net market, which is also, let's say, highly unlikely. But definitely let me know in the comments what you are currently thinking about this coin. What is the exact price that you think this coin is gonna hit? And I will see you in the next video. See ya.